Looking for a quick start guide for your booking website? You've just found it. Welcome to Amelia, the best booking plugin for WordPress. In this video, I'll show you the essential setup steps so you can get your booking system up and running in just a few minutes. My name is Alexander. Let's dive in. After you purchase Amelia, you'll receive an email with your license details and a download link. Quick note, that link expires, but don't worry if it does. Your safest place to manage everything is your store account at melograno.io. That's where you'll always find your licenses, your purchase code, and the latest plugin download. Once you download the plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard, open plugins, add new, then upload plugin, and upload the zip file. After activation, Amelia will show a welcome guide. I recommend not skipping it because it helps you set up the essential core entities in the right order. For appointment bookings, employees come first. You need at least one employee before you can create a service. Now that we have at least one employee and one service configured, Amelia is technically ready to accept bookings. However, before going live, we need to activate the license. To do that, go to Settings and open Activation. Copy your purchase code from your store account and paste it into the corresponding field, then click Activate. If you purchased Amelia through Envato, you can skip the purchase code field and simply click Activate with Envato. You'll be redirected to Envato, where your purchase will be validated after logging in. If you ever need to modify your employee or service, you can do so from Amelia Employees or Amelia Catalog Services. Inside the employee profile, you can adjust working hours, days off, and personal details. Inside a service, you can change the name, duration, price, assigned employees, and other configuration options. We'll cover these sections in much more detail in separate videos. By default, Amelia uses a blue and white color scheme, but you can quickly adjust the appearance in the Customize section. Let's quickly change the primary color so it matches our brand a bit better. Now, let's place the booking form on the website. Since I'm using a blank WordPress installation, I'll use the default Gutenberg editor. Amelia integrates directly with Gutenberg as well as popular builders like Elementor and Divi. To add the form, click the plus icon, search for Amelia, and insert one of the available booking blocks. These blocks include additional configuration options that become especially useful when you have multiple services, employees, or locations. For now, we'll simply place the form and publish the page. And there we go. Amelia's booking form is now live on the website using our updated colors and ready to accept bookings. One important tip when testing your booking form: always use an incognito or private browser window. Avoid testing while logged in as an administrator, since that does not reflect the customer experience and may interfere with role-based permissions. That's it. Amelia is now installed, activated, configured, and live on your website. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into employees, services, availability rules, customization, and advanced features. Thanks for watching, and happy bookings!